In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record system audio with Audacity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to capture any sound coming from your computer, whether it's from your speakers or headphones. Let's get started. To begin, open Audacity on your computer. Once it's up and running, take a look at the top of the interface. There you'll find an option labeled Audio Setup. Click on it and then navigate over to Host. You'll want to change this setting to Windows WAS API. This might sound a bit technical, but essentially what you're doing is telling Audacity to pay attention to the audio that's already playing on your computer, making it possible to record that sound directly. If you find yourself using an older version of Audacity, don't worry. The process is quite similar. You'll need to click on Edit and then move to Preferences. Under the Devices tab, ensure that the host is again set to Windows WAS API. This is where that particular option will be hiding in the older interfaces, so make sure it's selected before you proceed. The next step is to choose the correct recording device. Head back to Audio Setup and select Recording Device. Now, if you're using headphones, you'll want to select Headphones as your device. If you're listening through speakers, go ahead and choose Speakers. However, using headphones is often the preferred choice. The reason? They tend to offer a more isolated and clean capture, minimizing the risk of any unwanted background noise getting picked up. With your settings in place, you're now ready to record. Hit that red Record button in Audacity, then go ahead and play the audio you want to capture on your computer. It's important to ensure that you have the right to record this audio, whether it's your own material or copyright-free music. It's always better to be safe when it comes to these legal aspects. Once your recording is complete, you can take advantage of Audacity's built-in editing tools. For instance, if you want to give your audio a little boost, go ahead and select it, then navigate to Effects, then Volume and Compression, and choose Amplify. This will make your sound louder and more vibrant, as you'll notice the waveform expanding, signifying a cleaner and stronger sound. When you're satisfied with your edit, go to File, click on Export, and save your masterpiece as either an MP3 or a WAV file. Remember, your computer's output volume directly affects how the recording will turn out, so adjust accordingly for the desired end result. If you're using a USB microphone, it might help to unplug it before recording desktop audio, as mics can sometimes interfere with the recording process. And there you have it. You now know how to record desktop audio using Audacity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload more tutorials.